making this short video of this Swan label. I thought it was a 33, but then I had another one that I thought was a 33, but it was a 45, which turned out was Preston, Jamaica, so that makes more sense. But this one I played right after I played the one that turned out to be a 45, and it sounded fine at 45 RPM. So it never occurred to me that it could also be a 33. But since there's no vocals on the selections, it just sounded like up-tempo music to me, and I'll show you. This is at 45. Now I'll switch it to 33. Play the same selection. So as you can see, it plays on both speeds. Technically, I think I actually like it faster better. Oh well.